Hi guys, this is KhalidSaifuddin with the trading signal for crude oil for 18th April 2025. In this video, we are going to discuss what happened yesterday in crude oil and what were the recommendations and what happened and how happened and what are the possibilities right now before closing of this week. So all these points will be discussed in this video. Let's go to the first slide, which is crude oil for 18th April 2025. It is trading somewhere around 64.40 right now. If you look into the last call for crude oil for 17th April, so there was a long call recommendation above 62.65 and which already achieved the target, and the target was achieved even around New York opening. And usually is our regular practice. We gave a midday call before New York opening. So there we recommended one more long above the achieved target. And thereafter, in a New York session, bulls achieved the second target also. So overall, if you look at the current position, so we went on short and above 62.65 and it made a high of 64.85, I guess, or a little around it there. So it was a move of $2 in a one session, and $2 means a lot in crude oil, where you trade a small lot of minimum 10 barrels. So $2 means $20 on one contract. Now check it out. What is happening before the closing of the week? I want traders to watch out precisely. Do not jump in longs right now. Check it out, because bulls like to have some breathing time. If you find out their energy between 64.65 and 64.85, then you can think about new long, and that is above 65.10 or wherever you like to. But upon your understanding, I believe after looking at the bull's effort around 64, around and above 64.65, you can plan your long. And trading above 65.10 will energize bulls for a move before the closing of the week. That's the one possibility for long. But what is reflecting right now, it is trading at 64.40. So I'll check it out if the consistency remain in exhaustion, the ongoing exhaustion, which is appropriate. After a $2 and a more than $2 move, bulls need a rest area. So if it trade below 64.20, your daring short starts. There you can go a daring short targeting 63.50. Why targeting 63.50? Because we have a support, a good support around 63.30 and 63.15. So around and above that level, we try to target our short. And if you find consistency, and if you find more power in bears around this area, I mean around 63.50 and below, we'll continue the short. We'll only trail the stop loss. Trailing stop loss above 64.65, 64.20, 63.80, and so on. And once crude breaks 63.15, it energizes bears more. And upon breaking 62.55, you may find exciting bears in market. So let's check it out how we closes. If you like this video, you are more than welcome to comment, share, and subscribe our channel. We are not only updating on crude oil, but the gold, silver, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, BTC, NASQAQ, S&P, DowJones, EURUSD, Pound USD, USDN. All these instruments on daily basis, plus we start trading or we update you around European market before the start of Europe. And then we come up with the audio update, which is a midday call that is around and before New York opening. So if you like to have all these advantages, you are more than welcome to contact us. The number to contact us, 92345 619 0443. Thank you.